let's have some fun.
The mountains are a bonus. They've made the roads that well. That's the old bridge. So that's where we are going to.
Because for gas it is getting bulged. Yeah.
This road is not in the map. You wanna come? Come. Nobody will believe this. Yeah, this section is always beautiful.
We are in Chitkul. We will be leaving to Rekongpeo and Nako today. We need to fuel up fuel cans as well since we are entering Rekongpeo Kalpa area.
Just look at the peaks. After the bikes being in -4 overnight, this is the first time we are starting it, and oh, this is just breathtaking, I must say. See you, Chitkul. Until next time, we have turned towards Nako. This is just backside of the same valley that we just rode down. Other side is towards Sangla. This is Kinnar Kailash. No. Look at the mountains. Oh, this is very beautiful. You'll never get this view if you're just traveling on the highway.
The entire place is looking very beautiful.
So Rekongpeo is more like the midpoint here. Shimla is 223 kilometers and Kaza will be around 200 kilometers. And that's where we are heading to. So hang on tight. The water is actually falling from top. Take bath. Yeah, this section is always beautiful. Bro, here actually we could have taken. Okay, anyway. No, next one more bridge will come. We'll have to turn left again. Oh, the shadow on that mountain is crazy. It looks like it's a shadow from another mountain falling on this. Oh, wow. Looks like there's a new huge bridge down there. This is NH5, everyone, where one truck can pass through at a time. This is how it is. We're gonna take that bridge. That's a new bridge. Something that has fallen down. It's just going back. This is the new bridge. Are we allowed to stop? Yeah. And that's the old bridge. Oh, I remember taking the old bridge. Still so fresh in my head. Say hello, guys. And that road used to come all this way. The old road. Cool. Yep, now we need to give our names. Is that your name? Oh, he's telling to go. Oh, thank you. So our next step will be to climb up and cross these mountains. Whatever looks like the old tower might have been some temples. Yeah, that's definitely a temple or a monastery up there. Crazy terrain. Oh, caves. Keep left. The water here is all muddy colors. It's not turquoise green like it is downstream. Now even if you look straight up, you won't be able to see the peak. It's that high. Huge wall. Where in the world can you get the experience like this? So now the road turns left in few meters and then it's a U-turn. You can actually see the vehicles coming from the other side. So that's where we are going to. Kirankhud Bridge. The old road used to take you back there, then you need to cross and come. Traveling through these terrains have been very easy thanks to BRO. Oh. The wind. Just look at the side of this mountain. You know, when man and nature becomes one, the nature will take care of you, and this is the biggest example of that. Simply amazing. Now we have started experiencing crosswinds, and on a paired bike like CBR, we need to put our weight to one side as we are starting the climb back ahead. So we have another 52 kilometers, and the Google map is saying we have 1 more hour, which is fair considering that we did all the checklists so far. We have to go all the way and then take a right U-turn, go on the other side. Still the distance has reduced like crazy because I've built bridges. It's peak everywhere. Oh man, look at the right side. All snow-capped mountains are showing up. Oh ho ho ho. This is Poo, right? There's an Indian Oil up ahead. Should we top up there? We came 61 kilometers actually. That's like 2 liters. It's on the turning, 140 meters. 37 kilometers from here.
I think it's only 4.5, okay? Because for gas it is getting bulk.
Yeah. Why is he hurrying? So guys, so we have fueled up here at Poo. We topped up the bikes and we have also fueled up our cans. So I think we are all set until we are out from Chandratal. There is no problem for fuel. The next thing is we have to wait and see how the weather is going to be. So let's have some fun.
We saw a couple of riders who are heading from the Kaza side. Damn, it's 5:20 now only. Oh, it came almost in front of my bike, bro. Shit, okay. Saved. We have only 35 kilometers to Nako. Oh, I can feel the weight difference. Minimum 6 kgs more. Oh, roads are amazing, man. It's like the mountains are a bonus. They've made the roads that well, especially the stretch. We are at Dubling police checkpost where we need to enter our vehicle details and the rider details. It's important for all the vehicles that are not from HP to make the entry. The cops are very sweet and very supportive here. Yeah, that's especially if you're cooperating with them. There's been no hassle. Things have been very smooth so far. It's down, can't see. This is where Spiti and Sutlej river is meeting, right? So what we are seeing on the left is Spiti river. Yeah, the river coming from that side looks turquoise green, and the river Sutlej flowing down from the right looks all muddy. Yeah, go. You're going right top. No, we have not gone right. Should I come there? It's anyway an open road, no? Let's just take a small diversion and enjoy a magical land.
No.
Huh?
You want to go till that road turning and come back?
It looks like some magical movie screen has been dropped down there. I'll go see how it is, maybe take a photo and bro, it just keeps going, bro. There are more turns ahead. Can you see me? Oh god. Oh my god. The contrast is crazy, but mud and in between it's blue on top. This road is not in the map. You wanna come? Come. What if a snow leopard comes now? Yeah, because there's no snow, snow leopard will not come. There is a bridge ahead actually. Nobody will believe this if this is not recorded. Looks like there was a landslide. Let's just wait for these guys to come. If I get shot with a sniper, you know that we have crossed the border. If you see me, stop.
Oh, waterfall.
How far will you keep going?
We'll go back.
Yeah, we'll go back. But definitely, if we had more time, then I think we should have gone. We should have explored, but it would have been very risky considering the time and the season. If it was daytime, definitely yes. Definitely yes. But we didn't know, no, there was something like this. There is more to explore in Spiti than just taking the circuit. We have 26 kilometers and the climb starts now. Hey, look at the moon. It feels good to see how places are transforming, because last time there were no roads and we were struggling. It was very challenging. This time we are just cruising and loving the journey a lot more. Another 15 kilometers to Nako. It's very cold now and we are going through a place where previously we have seen that stones fall from the top. There can be boulders falling down, rolling down from the top. So we have to be a little careful here. There are no lights anywhere. We are just 6 kilometers away from there. That is where Nako is, where the lights are. Hold on, boys. How are these truck people living, man? Oh, 1 kilometer. Welcome to Nako, boys. Just need a stay. Hotel Rio Purgil. Harde Purgil? What is the name of the hotel? Are you feeling any familiarity? Oh man. Okay. This is the entrance. No, where is the entrance? Oh man. Is that vehicle coming here? Bro, the Bolero is coming. Oh my god. हमें ये सब एंजॉय करता है भैया. Tashi Homestay is where Melvin stayed last time when he came, and he had a really good experience there. So we went and checked the room there, but the thing is the first floor rooms are occupied already and the second floor room is little small for 3 people. It's okay for 2 people, but so this is one of his known friends hotel here, and the room here is really good for 3 people. It's right next, and we'll get our bikes inside here, park it, take the rooms here. I'm not feeling very cold, maybe because we were traveling and now we have stopped. I can see lot of stars. Let's put the luggage into the room, change into warmer clothes, and we'll come here for dinner. Perfecto.
So we have checked into Nako stay.
Tashi Homestay.
Tashi Homestay. It's very cozy. We're just waiting for dinner because we're all hungry. One man is down. We'll have dinner and then hit the bed for the day. So good night everyone, and I'll see you all on day 8.